In this unit, we will talk about another large group or large class of phylum Echinodermata. It has more than 1,000 species, which is present in all habitats in the oceans. They are mostly composed of sea urchins, sand dollars, and heart urchins. They have distributed themselves in all marine environment, just like the starfish class of this phylum. Now, when we talk about the lower part or pedicellaria of sea urchins, it is composed of 2 or 3 jaws which help them in feeding. They also move with the help of tube feet, which is present inside at the ventral side of their body, or they can also move with the help of spines. They are different from Asteroidea, that they have some spines on their skins. This is the typical sea urchin you can see here. This is present in this class, Echinoidea. These sea urchins, as you can see, they are hemispherical. They are spherical from this side, while they're flat on the lower surface. They have very long and prominent spines, and these are often brightly colored, the individuals. They are supported by a very rigid skeleton, which is present with a large number of spines on them. This rigid skeleton is called test, and it is made up of interlocking plates of calcium carbonate material, and this calcium carbonate material is also called steroim. Sea urchins and sand dollars, they normally feed on algae, which is present in the oceans, and different planktons or other small organisms. In most of the echinoids, there are separate sexes, which means that male reproductive organs are present in separate organisms, while there are separate female organisms present in this class. While they release the female organisms, they release their egg, and the male organisms, they release their sperms into their water columns where fertilization takes place. In most of the echinoids, there are their tiny larvae which are formed as a result of their reproduction. They live in these water columns as plankton before they form the test, and they form the exoskeleton around their body, and they transform themselves into the adult form. So when they become adults and they grow the exoskeleton around their body, they settle at the bottom of the ocean. As you can see, another example, sea urchin here, they are popular among the shell collectors, those people who like to collect different colored shells and different unique shells. They like to collect their structures as well, their bodies as well. Some species of echinoids, some delicate sea urchins, they are also eaten in some part of the world. Their eggs are also considered a delicacy, and they are part of the food of people in some areas of the world where they live near the oceans.